Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring moto vehicle experience. Today we bring you a review of the new Nissan Ariya 2023. The Nissan Ariya 2023 is the latest electric SUV set to hit the market. It is Nissan's first all-electric crossover and will be the first to combine a traditional SUV's power and performance with the efficiency and convenience of an electric vehicle. With its eye-catching design, advanced safety features, and cutting-edge technology, the Ariya is sure to be one of the most sought-after electric SUVs of the year. From its powerful dual electric motors to its advanced driver assistance features, the Nissan Ariya promises to be a breakthrough in the world of electric SUVs. With its sleek styling, long range, and impressive performance capabilities, the Ariya will be a vehicle unlike any other. Overview. The Ariya 2023 is a large four-door crossover SUV that is fully electric and powered by two large electric motors. The SUV is available for sale in the Asian and European markets and will be one of the first cars to come out of Nissan's new electric car factory in Russia. While the Ariya 2023 is the first SUV from Nissan to offer an all-electric option, the car is one of several new electric vehicles that Nissan has planned for the near future. The Ariya competes with higher-end EVs, such as the Tesla Model X and the Audi e-tron. The Ariya is expected to have a range of up to 482 kilometers, or 300 miles, and a top speed of 168 kilometers per hour. The car is expected to have a DC fast charging capability, allowing it to be recharged to 80% in 30 minutes. The Ariya is expected to have a long list of standard features and comes standard with a full-color heads-up display, a large center touchscreen display, wireless phone charging, a surround sound system, and a smart key system with a built-in digital wallet. Styling. The Nissan Ariya 2023 is a sleek crossover SUV with a bold, stylish design. The car's exterior is sleek and modern, featuring an eye-catching aerodynamic roofline and muscular wheel arches. The car's signature design feature is its large roof rails, designed to make the SUV appear larger and more imposing. The Ariya features prominent LED headlights that glow white when the car is turned on and red when the vehicle is in reverse. Features. The Nissan Ariya 2023 is loaded with high-tech features that set it apart from other electric SUVs. The Ariya comes with features such as driver assist features. The Nissan Ariya 2023 has an impressive list of driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning and prevention, blind spot monitoring, and intelligent cruise control. The car also features a parking assistance system and an advanced lane keeping assist feature. Interior. The Ariya features a spacious and luxurious interior with ample head and legroom for all passengers. Its interior features premium leather and fabric seats, a large touchscreen display, and a touch-based voice control system. Exterior. The Ariya's exterior is modern and sleek, featuring an aerodynamic roofline and large, imposing wheel arches. Charging. The Nissan Ariya 2023 is expected to have a long charging time of around 9 hours when using a 120-volt outlet and 5 hours when using a 240-volt outlet. Performance. The Nissan Ariya's performance is sure to impress. The car boasts two large electric motors that provide 400 horsepower and 472 newtons of torque. The Ariya has a two-motor all-wheel drive system and an advanced traction control system. The car has a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 5.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric SUVs on the market. The Ariya has a top speed of 168 kilometers per hour, 104 miles per hour, and can drive up to 482 kilometers on a single charge. The Ariya is recharged at home, work, and public charging stations on the go. The car comes with an advanced app allowing owners to monitor their car's charging progress, diagnose any issues, and even start the car remotely. The Ariya has a long list of standard features and will come with a full-color heads-up display, a large center touchscreen display, wireless phone charging, a surround sound system, and a smart key system with a built-in digital wallet. Safety and driver assist features. The Ariya's impressive list of safety and driver assistance features will make it one of the most advanced electric SUVs on the market. Autonomous emergency braking. This feature is programmed to automatically apply the brakes when it senses danger, such as when a car is tailgating or is about to hit the car from behind. Lane departure warning and prevention. The lane departure warning system alerts drivers when they drift out of their designated lane. The lane departure prevention system uses an active steering system to keep drivers in their lanes. Driver attention alert. This feature uses eye tracking technology to determine if the driver is too distracted to drive. It will alert the driver to focus on the road. Blind spot monitoring. Ariya's blind spot monitoring system uses sensors to alert the driver if another car is in their blind spots. Range and charging. The Ariya boasts a range of up to 482 kilometers, or 300 miles, on a single charge. The car is expected to have a long charging time of around 9 hours when using a 120-volt outlet and 5 hours when using a 240-volt outlet. Value for money. The Nissan Ariya 2023 boasts a long list of standard features and a hefty price tag. The SUV is expected to retail for between $40,000 to $45,000 with all electric vehicles. Share your sentiments in the comments section. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment.